want to get out now, please.
Suit yourself, darling.
Most beautiful thing. Most beautiful thing. Most beautiful thing's as good as dead. His eyes are closed. His eyes are closed. No longer pause to stand. As good as dead.
Jesse, this is Maham. He's from the Autism Centre.
Hiya, Jesse. So, I know you don't like surprises, but you're never going to guess in a million years what we're going to be doing tomorrow.
Fuck off.
No, you fuck off. They're earplugs. I might help you out. It's really choking me.
Yours is...
So, do you want to talk about it, or...? I mean, it's cool if you don't, it's just... That's all I'd ask.
Talk about what?
About the whole trying to kill yourself, throwing yourself off a bridge thing. I know it must be hard.
What would you know?
Okay. Well, tell me then. Like, what do you see when you look out there?
The sea. Spray. Lines. It's details, really.
I think they call the swell lines corduroy.
Who do?
You know, the surfer dudes.
Why do they call them that?
Because They look like corduroy, I suppose, Jesse.
Right.
Hey, you coming down?
Orange or blackcurrant, folks?
Blackcurrant for me, please.
George?
Blackcurrant.
Cool. So, how'd you guys get on today?
Well, I swallowed about a pint of seawater, but then I threw it up again, so it was okay.
Good. Good for you. What about you two?
I'm not gonna lie to you, it got pretty hairy out there, but I thought we handled it pretty well.
You actually went in this time? Man, I am very impressed.
You should be impressed, because I was amazing.
Man fell over all the time, and he only got up on his board twice.
Thank you, Jesse. Yeah, I was terrible.
So, what's wrong with you?
What do you mean?
Well, you're here with Mom, so, you know.
Okay, George, so that's not really something you just asked them.
I was just wondering, because she looks pretty normal.
Can I go now, please?
There's crumble for dessert.
May I be excused?
Yeah, of course.
I'm heading for Innes Diamond if that's any good to you.
That's okay. The crumble wasn't very good anyway.